Are you a photographer struggling to keep track of your projects? Managing photography projects with Monday.com might just be the solution you need, and I'll explain how to use Monday.com for photography project management so you can stay organized and focused on your creative work. Stick around, because I'll also share some alternatives that might be even better for what you're trying to achieve. Let's get into it. Monday.com is a project management tool designed to help teams collaborate efficiently, and while it's great for businesses, it's also incredibly useful for photographers who need to stay on top of multiple projects. The first thing you need to know is how Monday.com organizes your work. You can set up a board for each of your photography projects. Within each board, you create different columns to track project details like deadlines, tasks, and status updates. You can create columns like client name, shoot date, post-processing status, and final deliverables. This is really where the magic happens. It's easy to visualize everything at a glance. Next thing, Monday.com lets you assign tasks to specific team members or collaborators. If you're working with a team, this is key. You can assign tasks to specific people and set deadlines to keep everyone on track. Whether you're working with an assistant, an editor, or a client, assigning tasks clearly helps you stay organized. The third thing is automation. Monday.com allows you to set up automated workflows. This is huge for photographers. For example, you can set it up so that when a photo shoot is marked as completed, it automatically triggers a task for the editing team to start working on the photos. You don't have to chase people down or worry about whether something was missed. It just happens. The fourth thing I want to point out is how easily Monday.com integrates with other tools. Whether you're using Google Calendar, Dropbox, or something like Adobe Creative Cloud, you can easily link your Monday.com board to these tools to streamline your workflow. For photographers, this is incredibly useful, especially when you need to access files, update schedules, or track client feedback quickly. Now, let's be real here, Monday.com does have its limitations. It's powerful, yes, but for individual photographers or small teams, it might feel like it has more features than you actually need. If you're only managing a few shoots or working solo, it might be overkill. The learning curve can also be a bit steep, especially if you're not used to project management tools. But once you get the hang of it, it can be incredibly efficient. Next, let's talk about pricing. Monday.com has a free plan, but it's limited, and the paid plans can get a bit pricey, especially when you're only using it for photography projects. You'll want to weigh the cost against the value you're getting out of it. But here's the kicker. I'm going to tell you about an alternative that might actually be better for photography project management. It's another tool that's more focused on visual workflows and doesn't come with the hefty price tag. You'll want to stick around for that. But first, I should mention that Monday.com offers an exclusive, extended free trial to our viewers, which could give you some extra time to explore the platform. You can try it out with no commitments, and through our link, you'll also get some additional benefits that you won't find elsewhere. However, while Monday.com is solid, the alternative I'm about to recommend is more tailored for photographers. It's a tool that keeps things simple and intuitive, with just the features you need. And yes, it also offers a free trial. So, if you're managing photography projects and want something more specialized, this could be the perfect fit for you. Check out the link in the description for more details on how to get started with both Monday.com and the alternative that might be a better fit for photographers. You'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive bonuses, so make sure to take advantage of that. Thanks for watching and happy shooting!